Hey guys, what's up? It's Chef KD, and today I want to show you something that I discovered is really popular here in France. And it's so bizarre because this is something that I'm always told is so bad for you. But here it's like so. Okay, you ready? It's butter! Also, I discovered this in North France. There's a city called Rennes, which is French for reindeer. Rennes. I know I'm saying it wrong, but it's Rennes. And Rennes? Yeah. Anyways, they claim that they are the capital of the salted butter with the crystals. So that's why I originally bought my butter in Rennes, but it didn't make the train ride. So I got some more when I got back home. Okay, let's cut some butter. Right, let's find some crystals. See all the little pockets? There's salt crystals in there. See there? And the more the butter melts down, you can see all those salt crystals? Yum. I can start to see the salt crystals. So if you like this video, if you love my cooking videos, my recipes, and all fun things KD, check out my Wave channel, or you can go to my YouTube channel, KD's World. It's a fun place to be. Shout out to the Rainbow Garden for my t-shirt. I love it.